In this video, we will show you the basics on how to connect and use a SmartStack coaster paging system. Begin by screwing the antenna onto the port located on the top left corner of the transmitter. Continue by plugging in the power cable into a power surge protected outlet. Then plug the other end into the back of your transmitter. The transmitter screen should turn on if this step was done correctly. Next, plug in one end of the power cable into a power surge protected outlet, and the other end into the back of your charging base. A light will appear at the front of the charging base if this step was done correctly. Finally, stack all of the pagers on top of one another on the charging base. If this step was done correctly, there will be a red light in front of each pager, indicating they are being charged. Please note the charging base can charge a max of 15 coaster pagers at one time. If your order contains more than 15 coaster pagers, you will need to add another charging base by using the daisy link provided and linking one charging base to the other. A light will appear at the front of the second charging base if this step was done correctly. You are now ready to test call the equipment. It is important to keep in mind that the pagers must be charging for at least 6 to 8 hours before this test is done. Once they've been charging, remove the coaster pager you wish to call from the charging base. Then type the number located at the front of the pager followed by the green send key. If this step was done correctly, the pager should light up with red flashing lights, beep, and/or vibrate, depending on the manufacturer default settings. When your paging system is working, you will be able to easily page your guests with just the click of a button. For more information, please visit us at www.pagertec.com.